ただきます。
Good morning, everyone. I'm Anna. I have a grandparent who are 104 and 95. They have stayed healthy until today. There are many reasons for this, but I believe one of these is their relationship with food, especially how they treat their gut with kindness. Today, I want to share their wisdom through a full day of gut-friendly meals. Just like Grandma, I love to experiment, so I've taken their longevity secret and added my own modern twist. So enjoy! For breakfast, I make this gentle start porridge with delicate white fish and my healing trio: soy sauce, mirin, and sake. In our family, there are two ways to remove any fishy smell. One is to sprinkle the fish with salt, and the other is to soak it in a small amount of sake. This time, I choose a sake soak. While it's soaking, let's take a walk to shrine to feel connected to nature and ourselves. Grandpa always says respect the rice because there is a gut in each grain. Since I have leftover rice in the fridge, I use it to make porridge and turn it into something delicious and nourishing. For lunch, I make Mediterranean Japanese longevity tomato natto pasta. This dish is a fusion of two of the world's healthiest diets. The probiotics in natto are great for your microbiome. My grandparents love natto, but I know many of you struggle with its texture. Don't worry, this dish will change your mind. My grandma is very creative and always encourages me to experiment like this. We are almost there. This recipe is very simple, isn't it? You just cut the vegetables and mix them with soy sauce, olive oil, and vinegar. Done! Now all we have to do is prepare the pasta. To finish, sprinkle bonito flakes on top. It adds smoky flavor to the dish. You may never heard of Sakekasu. It's a byproduct of sake brewing. It might sound useless because it's a byproduct, but it's good for your gut and skin. My grandma always adds it to her miso soup, and I use it in almost anything. But this time, I add it to my homemade smoothie. The result? It's so delicious. Before dinner, I do a little meal prep so I can have a simple, nourishing meal ready whenever I want to eat. I'm showing you my family's special sauce. It's simple, made with soy sauce, lemon juice, some brown sugar, and grated daikon. This sauce tastes so refreshing, delicious, and gut-friendly. I'm sure you can't go back to any store-bought sauce after trying it. For dinner, I'm using salmon. This time, I sprinkle it with salt to reduce the fishy smell and add a little more umami. Before dinner, I drink another drink, matcha. Smoothies are good, but I always feel like I want to warm my stomach after having one. It's time to prepare dinner, but all I have to do is place the salmon and chop the vegetables in foil, wrap it, and then boil it. That's it. In 15 minutes, you are ready to eat. Boiled salmon with a special sauce tastes so amazing. I love this recipe, and I hope you will too. How was my one-day homemade meals journey? Let me know in the comment. Thank you for watching and stay healthy. またね